Well, hello. Well, here we go on another topic about Sasquatch and Bigfoot. Now, I know this footage has already been shown on the internet. Anyway, a version of it. Someone sent us this particular footage. Now, I went ahead and I looked at it, and I just don't know. Is it real? Is it an actual Bigfoot, aka Sasquatch? Is it a man in a costume, or is it AI? In any order that you want. But is it real? Is it worthy of us to go ahead and pursue this? Oh, I know they exist, but I don't know about this one. This looks like it could be from an old TV show, $6 Million Man, or the Bionic Woman, whatever it was, where they had Andre the Giant at the time, dressed up in a costume. So I don't know. What do you guys think? And you women, what do you subscribers think? I think it's interesting. I don't know. Well, I've seen some things, and I've got some full color footage, but that's for another day. So if you would, please leave a comment below, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll go from there. Thank you very much. And to the individual that sent me this particular footage, thank you. We shall pursue it and just see. But it's been out there for a while. So what do you guys think? Man in a costume or the real thing? A Bigfoot or Sasquatch? You decide. Thank you.